here. I'm Grace, the owner of Gracefully Jerked. We're a Jamaican fusion street food trailer. So today guys, we are making the famous street food snack, Jamaican patties. So it's seasoned, buttery, flaky pastry filled with Jamaica's favourite fillings. Okay, so first off, we have got all our flour. In next, we got some baking powder, some sugar and some salt. Most important, to give it that yellowy golden colour, in here is a mix of turmeric and my own. I make all of my own seasonings. So in here it's a Jamaican curry powder. So as I say, there's the turmeric and the Gracefully Jerked all curry powder. We have got to use, it's got to be butter directly from the fridge, so that goes directly in here. Blend it to get it into a real nice, like breadcrumbs really. Absolutely perfect. So as you can see, it's all nice and buttery. So buttermilk, that binds it all together. Check out this beautiful golden yellow pastry. I keep that in the fridge just to let it all set again. We are going to get onto the filling. First off, we take our minced beef or ground beef. We add onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, and the very important Gracefully Jerked all-purpose seasoning. Chuck in all of that as well. Get all your seasonings and mix it all in with your beef. Get all the beef completely covered in all of the seasoning. Scotch bonnets are just famous for all Jamaican foods. But be careful when you're chopping them up. Either use gloves or make sure you wash your hands afterwards, because nobody wants a burning eye or just burning body parts. Now I'm going to do, guys, we are going to cook the juicy beef filling. So first off, onions and your carrots. Now that the onions and the carrots are nice and soft, standard, add in some ginger, a scoop of thyme as well. Give that a good old stir it out. And scallions, spring onions, whatever you like to call them. Important Scotch bonnet. So chuck all of that in. That's going to give it a beautiful kick. Once that's all cooked, then you add in all your wet ingredients. Tomato sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce. So just a little bit of browning, just to give it that nice flavour. Get out the seasoned beef that we did before, and then literally just pop all of that in there, break it all up. I'm just going to keep that lid on just to let it cook and do its thing. We are going to make all important flaky pastry. So yes, put that through. That is nice and thin now. Better. So I just roughly spread the butter in here. This makes all the real nice flakiness. Along with the butter, just put some vegetable shortening, real cold, directly from the fridge. So each one is going to be done 4 times. I do it, and then just fold it. So yes, let's put this through here again. Once your pastry has cooled, make your patty circles, and then wait until your Jamaican beef filling has nicely cooled down. We are going to put a nice good old chunk of beef into the patty. Just chucking a bit of beef, bit of cheese, and chopping the beef. And then your egg wash, and then go around the outside, and that will seal your patty. To then seal each patty, I just get a fork and then press down on the outside. The filling stays nice I love nothing more than cooking a massive feed. There's nothing better than a good feed. Put a smile on people's faces, fill their bellies, have some laughs, have some good catch-ups. Yeah, just eat.